How to crack NEET, UG, in the first attempt. Expert strategy and proven insights. Introduction. Hello students. Today I am going to answer one of the most common questions asked by NEET aspirants. How can I crack NEET, UG, in my very first attempt? This video is not motivational talk. These are practical, exam-tested strategies used by successful NEET candidates year after year. If you follow this with discipline, first attempt success is absolutely possible. Part 1. Understand the nature of NEET. Very important, before planning strategy, you must understand the exam. NEET is not an Olympiad-level exam. It is a consistency-based, NCERT-driven exam. Most questions are conceptual, moderate in difficulty, directly or indirectly from NCERT. Your rank depends more on avoiding mistakes than solving very hard problems. Part 2. NCERT is the core resource. Biology. For biology, NCERT is not optional. It is the primary source. Read every line, diagram, table, and example. Most top scorers read biology NCERT at least 3 to 4 times, with focus on terminology and diagrams. If biology NCERT is weak, cracking NEET in the first attempt becomes very difficult. Physics. Physics in NEET tests conceptual clarity, not long derivations. Focus on understanding formulas, units and dimensions, graphs and basic applications. Solve MCQs daily. Reading physics without problem solving does not work. Chemistry. Treat chemistry as 3 subjects: physical chemistry, formulas and numericals. Organic chemistry. NCERT reactions and mechanisms. Inorganic chemistry. Direct NCERT memorization. Especially remember, inorganic chemistry questions come almost entirely from NCERT. Part 3. A study plan that works. Do not aim for extreme hours. Aim for focused, consistent study. A realistic daily distribution. Biology 3 to 4 hours. Physics 2 to 3 hours. Chemistry 2 to 3 hours. MCQs and revision, about 2 hours. That makes around 9 to 11 effective hours per day. Consistency matters more than perfection. Part 4. MCQ practice, the real game changer. Here is a hard truth. Reading without MCQs creates false confidence. Daily MCQ targets. Physics 80 to 100 questions. Chemistry 80 to 100 questions. Biology 120 to 100 questions. After every test, analyze. Why was the answer wrong? Concept gap or silly mistake? Was it from NCERT? Maintain an error notebook. This is what differentiates toppers. Part 5. Mock tests. How toppers use them. Start mock tests at least 6 to 8 months before NEET. Initially, 1 full test per week. Later, 2 to 3 tests per week. But remember, mock tests are not for showing scores. They are for learning and correction. Never skip analysis. Part 6. Revision strategy most students ignore. Revision decides your rank. Use a 3-level revision system. Daily revision of what you studied yesterday. Weekly revision of the entire week. Monthly revision of major portions. Without revision, memory fades quickly. Part 7. Exam hall strategy. During the exam, start with biology, then chemistry. Attempt physics last. In each subject, first attempt easy questions, then medium ones. Leave calculative or tricky questions for the end. Avoid overthinking. Part 8. Common mistakes to avoid. Many students fail not due to lack of intelligence, but due to ignoring NCERT, using too many books, studying without testing, poor sleep routine, panic and comparison. 1 good book plus NCERT plus tests are enough. Part 9. Mental discipline matters. NEET preparation is a long journey. Sleep at least 7 to 8 hours. Take short walks or light exercise. Avoid burnout. Reduce social media distractions. A calm mind performs better than an exhausted one. Part 10. Final 3 months, the deciding phase. In the last 3 months, revise only NCERT. Practice only mock tests. Do not start new books. Do not change teachers. Stability is the key. Final truth, very important, most students do not fail NEET because they are weak. They fail because they are inconsistent. If you follow NCERT strictly, practice MCQs daily, revise regularly, analyze mistakes honestly, then cracking NEET in the first attempt is absolutely achievable. Outro. Call to action. If you found this helpful, Share it with a serious NEET aspirant. Subscribe to the channel for exam-oriented physics practice and guidance. Thank you, and all the best for your NEET preparation.